production for the quarter ended December 2012 has been 5.36 million ton against 7.14 million ton for the corresponding period last year. Sales in tonnage for the quarter ended 2012-13, that is the December 12 ending quarter, has been 5.32 million ton against 6.40 million ton for the corresponding period last year. The sales turnover in rupees has been 2,048 crore against 2,822 crore for the corresponding period last year. The profit before tax for this quarter ending December 12 has been 1,914 crore against 2,750 crore for the corresponding period last year. For the 3 quarters of the current financial year, April to December 2012, our production has been 17.6 million ton against 20.2 million ton for the corresponding period last year. Sales of iron ore in tonnage for the 3 quarters ending December 2012 has been 18.03 million ton against 20.84 million ton for the corresponding period last year. The turnover during this period of 3 quarters ending December 2012 is 7,500 crore against 8,667 crore for the corresponding period last year, and the profit before tax during the 3 quarters ending December 2012 is 7,220 crore against 8,320 crore for the corresponding period last year. Now there have been some other excellent achievements which I like to highlight. Our board has also considered the second interim dividend to be paid to the shareholders at the rate of 100% of the share capital. The first interim dividend we have paid at the rate of 200%, and the second interim which has been considered today is at the rate of 100%. Then I will also like to apprise that during January 2013, our company achieved the highest ever production in any one single month since inception of the company at 3 million ton for one single month. And now that pace of production has picked up, and we are quite hopeful that whatever production we lost in the first 3 quarters, we should be in a position to make up in this last quarter, which is going to be a brisk quarter, January to March 2013. You might have noticed that there have been some shortfall in the production level in the quarter ending December 2012, and the main reason has been because there was heavy rainfall in the Belladilla region, and you know that 80% production of the company comes from Belladilla region and 20% comes from Donimarai Kumaraswamy region, and there the rainfall has been very high, highest last 20 years, and it has been more than 120 centimeter.